Hey, this is my makeup, and today I'm going to put the SpongeBob makeup on so I can use my thing on, I think, clear. I can't eat. Hey, I need help. Oops. Now I'm going to do my trick. So I got a little bit. Now what should I do now? Okay, now I need some. I get my light so I can be clearly. So I'm getting darker. And I'll use my little thing so I can do my first, second. Okay. I need to do my makeup and subscribe. I need it softer like my blood. Now I'm just gonna do my eyelashes. I'm gonna do my colors. I'm gonna do my colors in one half. You like my makeup?
It's beautiful.
Alright. Now I'm gonna do my skin nice and fresh so I can do my hair.
Look into the camera. There you go. Let's see.
So I do clearly. So I'm gonna do this little. So I'm getting faster like this. I'm doing faster. And now I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna do my line. And I like this. And I like my lips pressed. And I like it glittery so. And I will do it like this. And I go for a little. Now, I'm just gonna do this, this thing. And I just have this cleaner so I can do my, look at here. And now I'm just gonna do my clearing. Now I'm gonna do it clear so I can do it. So look at my lipstick. It is a pound. And I finally put my lipstick on the thing so I can do it.
You want to show them the final look?
No, not yet.
You're not done yet?
No. Now I'm gonna do the pink way lit. I'm just gonna just put it on my face.
Please be careful.
Away for the little thing. And so this is what I look. Put it on my face. Put it on my face.
That's what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
Now look in the camera.
And now I'm gonna do a little bit circling around. And just do
Alright,
it.
that's enough.
Oh wait. Please look, like, and subscribe. And I see you in a minute. Bye.